I always loved the Galaxy Note series but stayed away due to the price being too high compared to what I would prefer to spend on a phone. However, with the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, I got the top-class Samsung display, the One UI 2.0, Android 10 running on 128 gigs with a superbly smooth premium-looking device, a great camera and the terrific S Pen experience that grows on you with every usage, all under 35K with exchange. I think Samsung has made a killer device that, if it fails, will only be due to its misplaced launch and poor marketing so close to that of the S20 range. The phone feels sturdy, looks premium, and works great. For a mostly business user like me, these features, plus all the little software enhancements and customizations that I am allowed to do make it a very attractive device. The processor, even though it isn't the super latest Snapdragon what have you, doesn't feel one bit dull and the battery lasts a whole day and keeps some to spare even with heavy usage. Not to mention most users are still unlikely to notice the 60Hz refresh rate as subpar since the number of devices that currently support higher refresh rates can be counted on your fingertips. The camera, frankly speaking, does not wow you but doesn't disappoint you either. The colors, like almost all Samsung phones mid to high range, are punchy and the video quality is superb. I haven't had an exhaustive review of the camera yet but haven't found anything to complain about either. The one thing that I genuinely was disappointed with was the quality of the fingerprint reader and the face unlocking. I found both to be slow and inaccurate and soon reverted to the good old grid for unlocking my phone. I really hope it is fixed through a future update since it's 2020, overall I think it's a great device that should hopefully find greater appreciation especially among the business user community as well as those who want a phone that stands out in a crowd for all the good reason and dough. Phone is okay. Things are like most about it. 1. Looks and design. 2. S Pen. 3. Rear camera. 4. One UI 2.05. Customized function by Samsung. Things which I don't like about it. 1. Front camera. 2. Camera zoom functionality. 3. Fingerprint sensor. 4. Poor network reception. 5. Only 60Hz display. I love Samsung for the smart applications and reviews. Love you Samsung for launching your flagship mobile at such an awesome price. The S Pen, camera and display are stunning gorgeous. Fell in love with all features, madly waiting for your next launch. Design sleek, modern and sophisticated rear design, especially the Samsung's trademark Aura Red variant which reflects all the colors of the rainbow depending on how the light hits the back though the red and black version are much more subdued. The front also looks sharp and trendy with minimum. Nice phone in 4100 rupee 8 128 GB. It is not heavy face recognition, pretty poor. Fantastic Semrar S Pen is suppressing. Already owing a OnePlus 7T, I got myself a Note 10 from local retail shop as all online marketplace had stopped taking orders. Writing reviews after 10 days of usage. Screen, 10 out of 10 best in class AMOLED display with Infinity O display. Blacks are perfectly black and you can adjust the color as per your liking. Sound, 8/10 loud enough, boot lacks stereo speakers. Click link in description for more reviews.